Hey everybody, this is Shontavia, and today I want to talk to people who are working a full-time job and want to start a business but have no clue where to get started. I mean, like literally don't even know what kind of thing they would sell. So this quick video will just give you some suggestions for places where you can look for business ideas if you don't already have one. And I'm just really going to tell you 2 places to look today, though gosh, there's an infinite number of places you can use to find a business. But these 2 will help you start with the knowledge, the skills, the expertise, the life you already have. So the first thing is, where have you gotten a result, a success, a win in your own life? So did you go to college without paying any student loans or without taking out any student loans? Have you bought a house before the age of 30? Did you learn how to drive really easily? Are you really good at baking or cooking? Do you give people really great advice? Find something, do some brainstorming about the things where you've gotten some results in your life, big or small. If you're a single mom and your kid is doing great, like that's a success. If you are really good at decorating living rooms, that is some success, that's a win. Brainstorm a bit about the places where you've already gotten some results. I don't care if you think they're big or small. Try that. Start brainstorming there. The second thing, open your phone, look at your text messages, your emails, think back to the last person or the last couple of people who've called you, look in your DMs, and find places where people are asking for your help or asking for your advice. And the reason I want you to do this is oftentimes other people recognize your skills and your expertise and your greatness before you do. And you'll know if other people have found some kind of talent or gift in you if they're reaching out to you asking you for help. Because what they're saying is, I trust you, I trust your advice, I trust your opinion, I trust your help with whatever this thing is. And so other people have identified ways in which you can help them and solve their problems. And the best businesses on the planet solve a problem. And so like for me, one thing that I have always gotten my entire life is that I give really good advice and that I motivate people. And that's not something that I've necessarily set out to do, but those are things that people have told me my entire life. So when I built my business, I built it around those things that naturally occur in me, or things that other people have recognized in me. And so I want you to do the same thing. Look at places where you've already gotten results or success in your own life. And also look in your DMs, look in your text messages. Think about places where people have already asked you for help. And that will help you get the wheels turning a bit on where you can start a business. Thanks.